Hello everyone, my name is Shubhajit and today we will be discussing about some more higher order functions which are sum and every which are present with arrays in JavaScript. So let's get started. As you are able to see here, we have an ages array which consists of these 5 ages 20, 23, 27, 19 and 35. First of all, we will be discussing about the every higher order function. Let's understand what every higher order function is. So let's say, for example, let's say we need to check that whatever ages array we have, do we have all the persons who has age less than 40? Okay, okay. Let's take a more practical use case. So here, if we want to check that whatever ages array we have, are they all eligible to vote or not? So in India, we have the age for voting as 18. 18 years and above can vote. So if we want to check this type of condition from the ages array, so we have the ages which are all greater than 18. So this is a very good use case for the every higher order function in JavaScript. So if we are getting all the ages greater than 18, in that case, this every function, this every higher order function will return true. And if it gets any one of the ages from here, at least one of the ages from here, lesser than 18, then it will return false. Let's understand uh, let's write the code and then we will understand what you will understand what I'm saying. So let's say const is eligible to vote is equals to, so this is eligible to vote will be taking the true or false value based on whatever the every function will return on the ages array. Okay, so inside the every function we will have a callback function. And if you have seen the videos of other higher order functions previously like reduce or filter, map, then you will be able to understand what I am writing very easily. So inside the every function, we are uh, like inside this every parameter, we are calling this callback function. And what this callback function is doing, let me define that. So this callback function will contain the logic of that age greater than 18 should be there for all the ages or not. Okay, so it will take the age variable and it will say age greater than 18. Let me explain you what I have written. So whenever we apply the every method on the ages array, inside this callback function, what will happen is it will actually pass the age. It will actually call this callback function. This every will call this callback function for the number of times we have this number of elements inside the ages array. So here we have 5 elements inside the ages array. So this function will be called 5 times with the values of age as each of the element we have. So first it will be called with 20, then it will be called with 23, then 27, then 19, and then 35. And at any moment or at any call, if the callback function returns false, then is eligible to vote is false. What I mean by that is ages, this every function ensures that whenever I am calling this callback function for each of the ages, if for any of the age this return statement is false, is eligible to vote is false. In other words, I can say that this is eligible to vote is true only when all the callback function calls returns true. That is, each of these elements, whenever passed to the callback function as age, like 20, 23, 27, 19, and 35, they should return true. Then only this is eligible to vote is true. I hope you are able to understand this. Let's see it in action. So as you are able to see that age is greater than 18 for all the elements in the array. So this will be returning true. Let's see that. Okay, I haven't console logged that. I need to console log is eligible to vote. Okay, let me clear this out and let me run this again. Can you see it is true? Now, if I make any of one of them to age lesser than or equals to 18, then it should be returning false. Let's see. Can you see the present value is false here now? Okay, so I hope you are able to understand the every functionality of arrays in JavaScript. Now, the opposite of this is the sum functionality. Let me explain you a scenario here. Okay, what sum higher order function in JavaScript is that it will check that if any of the values, is matching the condition inside the callback function and returning true, then the value will be returned as true. Okay, let me explain you with the code example, some higher order function. So let me comment this out for now. Okay, so here if we want that if any of the person's age is greater than 40, if any of the person's age is greater than 40, then return true. So you can understand the difference between every and some. Every means all of them should be true. All of them should resolve the condition to true. But here, if any one of them resolves the condition to true, then the final value returned will be true. Okay. So const is age greater than 40 is equals to ages dot what we will apply sum, and inside that we will apply the callback function. I will define the callback function with the age. So this will be containing each of the ages here, that is 20, 16, 27, 19, and 35. So this some higher order function will call this callback function for 5 times having this age from 20, 16, 27, 19, 35. Okay, and for each time what it will return if age is greater than 40. So if for the ages array any of the person's age is greater than 40, this is age greater than 40 will return true. But if none of them has greater than 40, then it will return false. Let's see it into action. I hope you are able to understand this because I have explained this thing just now. So understanding this will not be hard. Okay, let me clear this out and let's run this. Can you see that here we are returning it false? We are getting false. Why we are getting false? Because there is no one with age greater than 40. Now if I make this age to 45, then there is someone with a age greater than 40, which is the fourth person, this 45 age person. Now the output should be true because there is someone. Console log is greater. Okay, I think it's not saved by the time I have called this function. Let me run it again. Okay, now it's returning true. Okay, so you are able to see that there is one person who is greater than age of 40, and that's how it returns true. And I hope you are able to understand the difference between some and every and JavaScript. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Hope this is helpful, and if you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. I will be really happy to help. Thank you.